of Home Improvement with Rob. I will show you how to install a gate. Let's get it on. Sometimes during construction, there's mistakes. Anyway, I always have a backup plan. These pieces right here often send cheap bolts. Well, you see how this is all stripped out, and the other two that I was screwing in, the head's stripped right off. Got to be careful. They're cheap bolts, and they'll strip right off if you use too much power. As you can tell, I have a lot of muscle, and sometimes my drill has a lot of muscle. So I used lag bolts, way better than factory given bolts. So I used a lag bolt here. Down here, perfect. Okay, perfect. Anyway, lesson learned, and let's keep going. Okay, now what we're gonna do, put a piece of 2x4 in there, okay? But we have to drill our pilot holes in there, and we're gonna have to cut off some wood. So let me go show you what the tools we'll need. Okay, so we're gonna cut 42 3/4. Line that baby up. This is your square, okay? It will give you a nice, even surface to cut on, okay? 40, we'll cut 43, right there. As you can see, a lot of my methods are very unorthodox, but with 2 kids, you can too do this. Plus, I'm in a huge rush because I have a wife that's coming home, and she doesn't really allow me to buy the necessary tools, okay? So I'm trying to do things what I can, but if you just kind of follow along, make sure the stuff is level, and follow directions, and that's pretty much it. You too can do this. Screw. Screw. So as you can see, we made a very unorthodox gate today, but hey, it works. Okay? Yeah, it's not lined up, but it shuts. It's way lighter than our old gate, as you can see. Like I said, this is only because my goddamn dog has been chewing and getting out. Now, if you look, what I had to do, this other one, we have a bunch of wire right here. If you want one of these animals, be prepared to replace a gate about 50 times. Who did this? Who did this? He knows what he did.